Good evening, traders. It is currently Wednesday, the 2nd of August 2023, and the time is 14 minutes past 8 p.m. UK time. Just about to turn 8:15 UK time. Traders, thank you for joining me on the channel. Hope you're all having a fantastic day. Traders, I want to welcome you to TradesFX, and I want to spend one moment just talking about the channel, and I just want to welcome you all on board and just hope that you're enjoying all of this content that I'm putting out here. Now, hopefully, traders, you are seeing some quality live trades going on in this market, and hopefully you're able to be picking up something from the content that I'm putting out here. Now, I want to talk to you about a trade which I've only recently entered as an additional position. Now, you can probably see at the bottom right hand corner of my chart here what I'm talking about. Okay, we're talking about the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. So let's jump on over into the charts and let's have a conversation about what's happened. Because if you've been involved in this video from the start, and if you've watched it through, traders, you have seen some excellent trading going on here. Okay, and here I am again. Okay, 2nd of August, a new month, 8:15 p.m. here in the UK, and I'm here with another video for you. So if you are enjoying it, traders, come across, like the video, subscribe to the channel, even press on the bell icon so you get all of these videos as soon as they're uploaded to YouTube and any other of my social media. Now, traders, I just want to go through a little bit of a timeline just to show you, and just to show you what you can do if you have a system down in this game. Okay, because once you can manage your system, and once you can manage your mind and your emotions in this game, you could be onto a winner. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. First of all, you can already see what we're talking about here, and you've already watched the previous video. Okay, so you know what I'm talking about here. So here we are, Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let me just go up the time frames just to give it a bit more perspective. You know that we're short from up here. Okay, we're short from up here, and we've watched this market come down to be 300 and odd pips up, only to watch it to go back up to be, I think it was about 37 pips. And you watch me hold my nerve, traders, live here on YouTube. You watch me hold my nerve. Now look at what's happened. Okay, as you can see, I took some profits off in here, where that little blue arrow just popped up there on the left hand side. That's where I took off 50% of that position, and I'm still riding 50% of the position as we speak. Okay, and as you can see, currently we're now back up to 340 pips in this position. And look, guys, we're up 346 pips, and I only risked 63 pips in this trade. It's phenomenal. Now, let's go down to the time frame and let's just talk about the second part of this video and what you witnessed yesterday. Now, where are we now? We're on Wednesday. So on Monday, okay, let's just have a look at my calendar here. Let's just make sure I've got this right. Tuesday, yeah, Monday. So on Monday, the 31st of July, you watch me talk about this leg here. Okay, you've seen it, it's documented, you saw it, and you watch me say that I believe that that leg was weak, and what I was hoping to happen is for price to come down in this market, okay, take me in below the low of this pin bar, and hopefully go down to where I could take off 50% of my position. And I also then shot the very next day the fact that I'd been taken in. Well, traders, the first video was on the 31st of July. Okay, I shot the video then on the 1st of August telling you that we'd been triggered. Price was down here somewhere already. Here we are now on the 2nd of August, only 2 days later, and I'm here telling you that we have got prices pushed down through to our first target on this position. So this is 100 pips in here, traders, which we've just earned on 50% of our position. Now, I can't show you, as I do in my other videos, I can't show you taking off 50% of the profit because I've had to leave a marker in the market because I can't have two separate trades on one pair in TradingView for some reason. I don't know why. It is what it is, but I documented you, showing you me entering, putting this marker here on the 31st of July, and look at that. There is our 50%. And there you can see there, take off 50% of that position here. Traders, 100 pips on this part of the position. I've already taken it off in my real account. It's phenomenal. Now, let me just go back up to the time frames and let's just see what the potential is here. Okay, we're at 347 pips already. There is the second target for both of these, this position here and this position here. This is working out to be a phenomenal trade. I cannot lose in this trade now, traders. Whatever happens, even if price goes back up and takes me out, I cannot lose. So traders, hope you're enjoying it. Thanks for sitting in. Let's see what happens. You know, we've still got a little bit to go, but let's see what happens. But what I can do now is I can take off. Actually, no. For video purposes, I'm going to leave it in there. I was just about to remove this blue line here, but for video purposes, I'm going to leave it in there. Now, let me just put something in your mind. Okay, so obviously you can see this is a very bearish pair. Okay, now let me go down to the 1 hour chart. Let me just fatten this up a bit and let me just give you what could be happening here on this 1 hour chart. And I'm going to fatten it up so you can see it. What I'm going to do, actually, let me just remove, what do I want to do? I want to remove, where are we? Because it's messing up my chart, and I need to take off the bid and offer off of the charters. So let me just see if I can find it. If you can just bear with me, traders, I won't keep you a moment. There it is. That's better. So I've just removed that. That's better. Now it's clear. Okay, so if I go down to the hourly chart, okay, can you see what's happened here, traders? Can you see what's happened? Let's just hide my drawings for the moment. Let's just hide all drawings for the moment. And I'm going to use another tool that I can use in this market. Can you see what's happened here? Okay. I'm just going to go on this tool, price, and remember we're on a 1 hour chart here now. This is another way of reading structure. Price has pushed down to this low here. Let's get this right. Let's do this properly. And that wasn't a very good drawing at all. So price has pushed down from this high to this low. Okay. Price has then worked its way back up to this high here. Okay. So what that does is that gives us a level of resistance in this market. Traders, look at what price is doing now. We've broken the low of this area here. Okay, we've broken through, thus confirming the downtrend on an hourly chart anyway. And now, let me change the color on that. And now we're working our way back up into that resistance. Is there a possibility we can push down from here? Well, what I will say is if you look at this, if you're looking at the bars that are forming at that level, your next thing is, well, do you take this trade short? And if so, where's your stop going to be? Where's your target going to be? Traders, not financial advice. And by the time you get this video anyway, this trade will have played out one way or the other. Traders, thanks for sitting in. We've been here 8 minutes 52. Thanks, traders. Come across, subscribe to this channel, help this channel to get out there, help it to grow, help your friends, anybody who likes to trade. Let's see what we can do with this channel. Traders, take care. We'll catch you all very soon. Good evening, traders, and welcome to Trades FX. It's currently Wednesday, the 16th of August 2023, and the time is 12 minutes to 11 p.m. UK time. Traders, hope you're all been well. Hope you're having a fantastic trading week. Traders, if you're enjoying this channel, come across all of that YouTube stuff, subscribe to the channel, just let me know you're enjoying it, leave some comments, press on the bell icon, that will allow you to make sure you get these videos straight away. and let's see if we can't help you to push your trading forward. So very, very short video here this morning, traders. And the aim of this video really is to confirm to you what you can be capable of if you have a solid, tested plan. Now, what am I talking about? Well, I'm here on the 12-hour chart of the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Now, up until this point, you will have seen me take a loss in this trade somewhere up in here. Okay, you will have seen me keep my nerve, okay, and then re-enter the trade. Now, what's really gutting about that is I have lost a video which showed me going through it. It actually showed me going through the loss and then going through the re-entry, but it's gone. There's nothing I can do about that. It's gone. But what has since transpired is a situation whereby price has moved massively in our favour. Okay, and this is where your mind starts playing with you, because at these lows here, I'm tempted to take more profit out. I took some profit out already along here, so we couldn't lose when price got down there. Price then pushed up right back up. Look at this, traders. We ended up in here. Price pushed all the way down with some 300 and odd pips up at this point here. Okay, and then it goes against us, and I think if I remember rightly, we were 30 odd pips up at this point, and this is where all your doubt starts to settle in. But what did I do? Well, I checked the fundamentals, I checked the sentiment, okay, I held my nerve, and price rolled over again. Now, after that, you saw me, let's go down, I can't remember which time frame it was. Let me just see if I can find the right chart. Yes, here it was. It was either the 2 hour or the 3 hour chart. Maybe it was the 2 hour. And if you remember, I then added another position, didn't I? I added another position because I'm still fundamentally bearish. Took 100 pips off at this line here. So let's go back up the chart. So at 100 pips on this second half of this position, I took off 100 pips here. And look at where we are now, traders. Let me just get this trade back and let me just bring it into, let me just get some perspective in this. There is our take profit. So we're now sort of homing in on our take profit of 463 pips from the first part of the trade. And if we do get down here, let me just have a look at what we would be getting from this part of the trade. If this trade plays out, guys, it'll be a phenomenal trade. If we do make it down to these lows, we're talking 220 odd pips. Let's call it 221. I don't know why that keeps happening. Can you see that? Look at it. It flashes and disappears and then it just flashes back in. I really don't. Some sort of a glitch in TradingView, which I've had before. But what I'm trying to say is this has already been a successful trade. Even if we don't make it to the bottom, I can't lose because I've taken 100 odd pips here and I've taken 100 odd pips here. We're good as far as this trade's concerned. But I just wanted to let you know how it's going. It's going well. As you can see, this video is being recorded live. So, you know, real live trading here, traders. And this is what you're capable of. Just a little bit of application, getting yourself a worthy plan, learning some fundamentals and some sentiment, which is what I can help you with. And this is what you're capable of. Traders, thanks for sitting in with me. Been here 4.5 minutes. Didn't want to make it even that long. And let's see if we can't get to our second and final take profit. Catch you all soon, traders. Take care. Good morning, traders. Welcome to the channel. It's Thursday, the 17th of August 2023. As you can see here, the time is 6:37 a.m. here in the UK. Traders, just a short video this morning. Obviously, in backing up the video that I shot last night regarding the Australian dollar, Canadian dollar, I'm here on the daily chart. And as you can see now, price is really during the night, price has really moved in on our second target. So it's really looking good for this trade. Now, as we move in on this target, as you can see, my second take profit is just here. This is how many pips we're up and this is where we need to be. And here's the entry for my second trade. Now, as I'm looking at this chart now, I'm already thinking of the next play. I'm already looking at the fundamentals, and I'm already looking at what's the next play. Is price going to start pushing forward? Is this a point where maybe price can bounce, a relief rally maybe? Because as you can see, there's been a lot of downward movement in this pair. So that's something to consider. However, I'm not going to get into that now. What I really wanted to do here, really just wanted to set an alert, just to tell me. Let me just home in on that alert a bit more. Can I go down the time frame maybe? Sorry about the croaky voice. It's very early here in the morning. I've not long got up. So I've got morning voice, but all's good in the world. So here, will it allow me yet? Add an alert. And let's just put if price crosses down through that price, excuse me, second target. Even if my spelling's strange this morning, second target achieved. So hopefully today we'll get that, but we know sometimes the market likes to play around with you and sit in these positions and bounce a little, and then the market does what it wants to do. And the sooner we realise that, the sooner we can start moving within the market's parameters. Traders, thanks very much. Hopefully we'll end this trade today and then start looking again at this pair. Personally, I think there's a strong level here to break. As you can see, the last time we were down here was October 22. Okay, and then before that, April 2020 and March 2020, which is obviously where we had COVID start. So it's going to be interesting to see what happens now down at these levels. Traders, catch you all very, very soon.